What's up? Isang pinagpalang araw na naman sa lahat ng ating mga kareaksyonaryo. EI Joven po at welcome sa panibagong episode ng Reaksyonaryo. Musika, opinion, walang halong filter. Sapagkat ang inyong lingkod is more than 25 years na po sa music industry. I've seen a lot, you know, performers, artists out there, and I make my song, I create my song, create my own music, and I listen to a lot of music, name it. And dito sa reactionaryo, nagiging bias. Hindi tayo nagiging bias actually. Ah, hindi tayo bias. At wala tayong favoritism. We're just expressing what we have learned for the past more than 25 years sa music, and we're just sharing, what we can learn sa mga artists na ito, sa mga music videos, sa mga, performers na talagang sikat at talagang pinag-uusapan. At sinisigurado natin na dito ay talagang mahu kayo dahil madaldal man ang inyong lingkod, paumanhin po ninyo. Sinisiguro lang natin na natututo po tayo sa mga video na ito. At kung gusto mo ito, mga ganitong klaseng kadaldalan, like and subscribe ka na para laging updated sa ating mga videos. Kaya may bagong awitin ang Bini. Kaya mag-react tayo sa kanila. Ito ang Step Back, performance visualizer. Okay, so panoorin natin kung gaano kagaling itong P-pop, the Philippines P-pop group. All right, so let's hear it from Beanie. Let's do it. Like the beat. Ganda ng beat. Yan.
Step back, I don't like it like that.
Oh yeah,
Step back, I don't like it like that.
let's go.
Said I'ma save it, but I take that back. Thought you were it. You got no car.
It's the first time that I heard when na nagsimula ng song sa Beanie. I'm watching Beanie for the past 2 years. Yeah, sinong may ayaw sa Beanie? Alam natin kung ano yung mga pinanggalingan nila at kung sino sila. Uh, and the first time hearing Gwen starting the song, it's a different approach this time. It's not the usual. It's not Stacy or anyone, but it's Gwen this time. Let's hear it again. I want to hear her voice.
But I take that back. Thought you were it. You got no call back.
Para siyang pop artist. Para siyang, um, narinig ko yung medyo Britney Spears dito na vibes. Okay, sa song na to. But not to offend anyone. Um, I'm just trying to say na wala silang kinokopya. Okay, they're just trying to express the arranger of the song or the composer. I'm not sure who there are, pero it's very effective. Ang ganda ng tunog, ang ganda ng drum beat, 'di ba? Ang ganda ng boses, ang ganda ng mix ng boses. So that's why I'm hearing, you know, uh, other artists maybe. Uh, Kasi nga malamang ganito yung trademark ni Britney Spears that time. So I want to hear it again. Sorry po. Sorry.
Back. Thought you were it. You got no call back.
Yeah.
Don't you be hating.
Okay, okay,
You
okay.
misbehaving.
I hear it. Okay, so alam ko na. Kaya pala inumpisa ni Gwen, magkaiba yung timbre ng boses ni Gwen at ni Colette. So pakinggan natin, obserbahan natin. This is how you do it. Kasi parang ang beat ng music, it's monotonous. It's not monotonous at all. It's like the same beat that you're hearing for the past ilang seconds, or yeah, it's like most likely 30 or 30 seconds that you're hearing the same beat. And then the same elements of music that you're hearing, and then biglang nag-shift yung boses from one uh ano ba yung sabi ko kanina? Texture, ibang texture. I'm not sure is that the same term that I said, but I'm expressing the same texture, different from other. Okay, so ma-differentiate natin yan. So when you're hearing, when you're using earphones, earphones, you would definitely agree to me. Let's hear it again. Sorry.
I take that back. Thought you would quit it.
Yeah,
You
ready,
got
ready.
no
Here we go.
call back. Don't you be
Oh, see?
hating.
See
You
that?
misbehaving.
Hear that?
Hate to break it to you, stay
Yeah.
mad. Ooh.
Yan. So nag-iba na naman. So that's what's really interesting kapag grupo yung narinig mo, not just a single artist. So hindi ibig sabihin na mas magaling ang group sa single. I'm not saying that. It's just that, nagkakaroon ng ibang approach, ibang technique, ibang style, ibang texture ng boses, ibang timbre ng boses. Diba? So that's what makes you interesting. It will definitely hook you. Oh, oh, wow, parang ganun. Masasabi mo na, ang ganda pala yan. Ang ganda ng boses. Oh, ang galing. So that's how, fans are enjoying what they're consuming. Yeah, kaya nito. I'm not sure, Maloy ba 'to? Yung kumakanta? Again.
Ooh, I'm not the type
Okay, mahangin, airy. Gano'n, 'di ba?
for you,
Mahangin yung boses,
but you already knew.
Head tone, head tone.
But we can keep it cool. I'm
Yeah.
not the one for you.
Yeah,
Step
yeah.
back, step back. I don't like you like that. Step back, step back.
Okay, pabulong, pabulong. Mababa ang tone. Alright. So, maybe this is the chorus.
Too bad, baby. You can keep that. You mad? Too bad. Wait, wait, wait. Listen up, listen up. Say checkmate. We say fab, we so fab. Caught ya, caught ya, caught ya. Fool.
Lambing talaga ng boses ni Aya. Malambing.
Wait, wait. Listen up, listen up.
Yeah, that's
Say
her.
checkmate. We say fab, we so fab. Caught ya, caught ya, caught ya. Fooling right, fooling right. Hate to break it to ya. I don't know ya.
Ganda ng hit ni Sheena dun. Ang galing, ang galing. Pakinggan natin uli. Ang galing. It's parang hindi hindi Pinay. Hindi boses ng Pinay yun. Ang galing. Let's hear it again.
Hate to break it to ya.
Yan o.
I don't know ya.
I don't. I've heard that technique before. Hindi ko lang maalala kung saan at kailan, but I'm sure that technique, yeah, hindi ko na yan. Once more, sorry. Ito na po.
Hate to break it to ya. I don't know ya.
Ayun.
Shake it up, you make my head hurt.
Oh!
You on the keys all the time.
Ito na si Mika. Ito na si Mika. Oh, may earring siya. Hindi earrings, may ring siya sa ilong. Is that just what? I don't know. Pero I like it. Nag-blue, ay, I'm sorry. Nag-red na naman siya ng hair. Ang ganda, ang very positive ang impact ng fans sa red hair na si Mika. Ang lalim ng boses, ang clear mag-pronounce. So, let's go back. Sorry.
I don't know ya. Shake it up, you make my head hurt. You on the keys all the time and the passwords. I need my space, take it backwards. Hold it back, run a lap, cause you light work. Real iffy, boy, keep it real icky.
Ito na yung mga rappers ng Bini.
Got the walk at the talk, I'm real picky. Queens,
Okay, napaka-positive ng global audience dun sa pink hair ni Stacy. And para daw nag-glow talaga siya. And it really matches her style, you know. Wow. And their personality, of course.
me, and we're giving no pity. I'm a highlight, get him out of my sight.
Ooh.
I'm not the type for you, but you already knew that we can keep it.
Ganda. It's for the international audience for sure. This song is in English para ma-hook yung siyempre nag-perform sila sa Coachella. Yun yung tina-target nila ngayon, that they will enter the international scene. So that is why, for us Filipinos, pwedeng mag-react na, "Ba't ganyan, ba't ganun?" 'Di ba? But this is just for the sake na, kasi yung mga producers nila, yung sa likod ng BINI, they want them to have the global stage, of course, na makarating sila doon. And yeah, Coachella, it's a very, very, uh, great head start for them. And yun, nagsisimula na. Marami nang umabang sa kanila ngayon. And this song, of course, the audiences or the fans, global fans, are really waiting for these types of performances for songs. You know, yeah, uh, for them to relate, of course, diba? So kasi they grew up to these kinds of music, these types of music.
Cool.
Yeah.
I'm not the one for you. Step back, I don't like you like.
Alam nyo kaya ang daming fans si Sheena? Kasi ganun, napaka-ano niya napaka-expressive niya. Ito yung attitude niya. She doesn't hold back. Look at her. Look at her. Once more. Sorry. Look at that face. Paano siya mag-express? Look at her face.
Keep it cool. I'm not the one for you.
She doesn't care how he will look like. Diba? Ganun. Ganun si Sheena.
Step back, I don't like you like that. Step back. Too bad, baby, you
So napansin natin na for the second time around si Maloy ang kumakanta ng chorus part.
keep that, you mad? Too bad. Wait, listen up. Say checkmate, we stay fab, we so fab. Gotcha, fooling right.
Yeah, let's go, Mika.
Hate to break it to ya, I don't even know you. Looking my best, you want me, but you
Bumalik na naman kay Gwen on the bridge part. Okay. Parang ano teka, ang gagaling yan, gagaling. Wow, ganito na, rap part na, ganyan, parang ganun no? Tapos nasaan na si Gwen? Nandiyan pala siya. Oo nga, she's doing the bridge part. Very smart. Lino. Galing. How clever. How clever yung vocal arranger nito. My man. Galing. That's why, they are selling. Kaya nakakabenta talaga sila. And look at them. Look at these. Grabe. Yeah. Siguro pwede silang sumabay sa SB19 sa Gento. Loko, kahit yung dance move nila, napatsyempo pa na dito ko Pinos. Gento. Matchy outfit. Because ang galing nito. Napakasimple ng production on this part. I'm not saying na napakasimple na hindi man lang pinag-isipan, Simple to the extent na hindi siya magulo. Hindi siya magulo. Naintindihan mo kaagad yung ano yung convey nila. Kalsada, of course. Kalsada. That's the one. Pero, yun nga, sabi sa lyrics, hindi mo kaya, pasensya na. So, they're not these type of, people or person na madali lang kayanin. So, they're doing, they're rendering or performing like wala nang tomorrow. Look at that.
can't. I'm sorry. Quick flex, I'm cautious. Step back, just a little. You already
Step back.
know we're different. Me and my guys, misfit. Show you the door, don't miss it. Step back, just a little. Step back. Step back. I don't like you like that. Step back.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, ito si Aya, rapper din to.
Step back. Too bad. Baby, you can keep that. You mad? Too bad. Wait.
Look at that face.
Too bad. Baby, you can keep that. You mad? Too bad.
Kaya yung mga, I remember one time dun sa concert ng BINI, close up si Si Aya talagang pilihan ng mga tao.
Wait, 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 listen up, listen up.
Ito si Stacy may sarili daw ring light.
Say check,
Naggo-glow siya.
make me stay fat, we so fat. Caught ya, fooling round. Hate to break it to you, I don't know ya. Step back, I don't like you like that.
Yeah. It's like singing to a person na dun ka, step back. I don't know, yeah. No, I don't, you know, you don't want to mess up with me. Parang ganun eh.
Step back, I don't like you like that. Step back.
Oh yeah. Galing. What else should I say? Ang galing. Ano, just like the other songs, yung mga laging inaabangan from the beginning, Pantropico, Salamin, mga Cherry on Top. Even my kids are listening to Beanie songs. Dati pa yung mga The Coconut Nut, mga pandemic pa, and before pandemic, yung mga songs nila. Wow. Just like this, see how they transformed it to, you know, to like this. Grabe. So sa mga Beanie fans out there, wag po kayo magalit sa akin. I'm just telling you, sharing, yung mga observation ko based on my experience, and also sa songs ng Beanie, and actually I liked it. I can't complain. Napakagaling, napakahusay, napakatalino. And yun naman talaga ang dapat ipakita ng isang artist. Hindi sila dapat settle down or mag-settle anything for less. So, ganun ang ginawa ni Beanie this time. So, yeah, they're hitting the global stage. So, I'm very excited. Kung ano man yung mga opportunities that await for them. Let's hope and pray na maging maayos ang lahat. And of course, that, hindi naman natin laging ginugusto lahat ng mangyayari. Pero as long as we are supporting our local artists, they are gonna be on the on the best way possible for them, lalo na sa career nila. Yeah, let's continue being a fan, and yeah, salamat tayo dahil dito sa Reaksyonaryo, I'm just sharing lahat ng mga bagay, lahat ng mga opinion ko na talaga namang it would make sense. Not just for, the fans, but also yung mga observation natin sa vocal techniques at lahat yung mga technicalities na kaya nating i-observe as we watch and appreciate these artists. So maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nanood. I appreciate your time. And bagamat madaldal po ang inyong likod, pasensya na po. Like niyo po ang video na ito and leave a comment, of course. Wala pong problema sa akin. You may leave a comment. Everyone is welcome to leave a comment. Maraming salamat po sa inyong oras at panahon. I-event po dito sa Reaksyonaryo. Musika, opinion, walang halong filter. At kit-kiss po tayo hanggang sa susunod na video. Remember that God loves you, Jesus loves you, and He cares for you. See you in the next video. Cheers!
May bago na namang kanta tara pakinggan. Kung solid ba o baka pwede na yan. Tinig damdamin, hataw o sablay. Boses ni kuya, ni ate, hatulan ng may say-say-say. Reaksyonaryo, musika, opinyon, walang halong filter. Makinig tayo dito together. EI ang pangalan, opinyon ay malinaw. Kung trip mo ang totoo, dito ka tumambay. Reaction. Reaksyonaryo, musika, opinyon, walang halong filter. Makinig tayo, dito together. Iyay ang pangalan, opinyon ay malinaw. Kung trip mo ang totoo, dito ka tumambay. Reaction. mi piace